Nshongezi ziziriza jemesereza abakurukorwa mu office ya mukuru w'ihanga bazitahamo kumanya icakubasa gukorwa ku ngabikiremere.
As government we don't have any problem. In any case you are one. I mean we are brothers and sisters. And you think these businessmen who have money mind, you can go anywhere.
Konkabo abashubuzi barahire ngwe cyo kugumana ibitana tubari kucendera na cumwe ngo buryo umwe aguma igura katarake abashubuzi nubo baramanya hibaragure
tawunikazo takabireo tukantukora tukatandika katare turiyo mugombora twazo mutawunikanzo itekerio teruruho kusangwa iteka ni rimwe free market economy tutubasa kwikiza ya shift tukacanga
abebembezi bona Nshongezi bazegecerire RDC wa Kasese owahandikire cyandiko ngubora katare kagumena kakore sandi ibiri
because is the one who wrote to the town clerk that Alisam and Nankabawirana should have shift, which has never been applicable to the matters of the business.
Kano Philip Mugarura ubirajwe chire mukuru wa Internal Security Organization ayahanangiriza abantaba okurinda obusinje.
Yes. We want is peace. Yeah, that's what we are promoting.
What we want is peace.
And we are having
all
a peace.
Of you are working to develop yourselves and to develop the country. But don't be emotional. That's the problem you have. You are too emotional.
Abarijoro mu office ya mukuru w'ihanga bahamiza abashubuzaba ngo mbwire buce enshonga zabo nizija gukorwaho amakuraga gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi umuri Kasese.